Let Garmin show you how to restore mapping on your automotive device using a Windows computer. Your device may only show major highways if the mapping on your device is not enabled. You may receive the "Map data is not available" message if your mapping data has been deleted. First, let's ensure your maps are enabled. To check this, begin on the main Where To and View Map screen. Then select Settings, followed by Map and Vehicle. Next, select My Maps. Here, we will see a list of available maps on your device. A check mark in the box indicates the maps are enabled, allowing your device to navigate in these areas. If you are in North America, we are looking for CN North America NT, followed by a year, version, and the word All. Select the box if it is unchecked to enable the mapping. Then select OK. You can then use the circle icon at the bottom to return to the main screen. Here we can enter an address or select a point of interest to verify your device's map data has been restored. Your Garmin device should calculate a route. If the necessary mapping was not listed under My Maps, your mapping will need to be reinstalled. This may have occurred due to a recently failed map update. Keep in mind, a failed wireless update can cause mapping to be deleted due to a download interruption or reduced download speed when using a cell phone hotspot. We will not want to use the Wi-Fi download process if you receive the "Map data is not available" error after attempting a Wi-Fi update. If this is the case, we will need to reinstall the maps. We can reinstall the maps using a computer with a home high-speed internet connection and Garmin Express. In this video, we will be using a Windows computer. To begin, plug your Garmin device into the computer using the included USB cable. Ensure Garmin Express is up to date if it is already installed on your computer. To check, click the gear icon in the top right corner of Garmin Express. Then click About. Next, click Check for Updates to Express. A "You're Up to Date" message will appear if you have the current version. Click Install Now if there is a new version available. If you don't have Garmin Express, you need to download and install it. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to garmin.com/express. Keep in mind, we do not want to do an internet search for garmin.com using Google, Bing, or other search engines. This will provide pages of results, many of which are not affiliated with Garmin, even if they have the word Garmin in their name. Some of these sites charge for assistance. Garmin does not charge fees for the support of its products. Those impersonating Garmin may also ask to gain remote access to your computer. Garmin will not request access to your computer. Once you are at Garmin's website, click Download for Windows. Then click the Garmin Express.exe download file. If you are unfamiliar with locating downloaded programs on your PC, just hold Ctrl and J on your keyboard to access your downloads. This will display all your downloaded programs. Then click Garmin Express.exe. The Garmin Express installer will now open. Review the terms and then select the box to agree to the terms and conditions before selecting Install. This will begin the install process. Click Launch Garmin Express when the install is complete. Once you have Garmin Express installed, click Add a Device. Then click Add Device. Once Garmin Express has added your device, if you choose, you can register your device by adding your email address in the box. You will also have the option to receive product news and exclusive offers. Then single left click Next. You can now add a nickname to your device. This isn't necessary but can be useful if you have multiple devices. Then click Next. You will then have the option to share your device data with Garmin to improve our products and apps. This is optional and will not impact the usability of your device. click Yes or No. Now we can reinstall the map on your device. To begin, click Map Details. Then click Map Options below the North America map. Next, click Reinstall Map. Lastly, read the important notes and click Continue. The map update process will now begin. The map update is large and may take a few hours to complete. Be sure to keep your device plugged in until Garmin Express shows a green bar with the Updates Complete message. You can enter an address on your device to verify your mapping has been restored. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.